Right. Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to see a very special cocktail variation. Actually, it's a cocktail, but it's meant to be. We'll do it in a style of a mocktail, which is known as a pan martini. Now, you all know that martini is a very famous vodka-based cocktail, but naturally we're not allowed to use in a vodka cocktail. I mean, like vodka in an institution like this. That's the reason we're going to use an exchange of it, which is going to be a Sprite. So first take a look at the ingredients. Cameraman, I'd request you to please come forward. So to make the pan martini, since it is a pan, obviously we need a pan. You can take a look, there is a pan, betel leaves we call it. Then you also need some gulkand, right? We can easily available in the pan shops and all. Some cardamom, as you can take a look, okay? It should be in a crush form. Then you also need a finely chopped pan or the betel leaves. Followed by we also have a lemon juice, freshly squeezed lemon juice, and then you also need rose water. Naturally, it's a very much shaken cocktail. So you mix all the ingredient with the ice and then you shake it and serve it on a martini glass, right? Okay. So please, people, buckle up your seat belt. We're going to start the process now. So first, we need a cocktail shaker. Take a look. What we're going to use now. First, we will going to put the gulkand, maybe something like this. Once the gulkand is done, then we add little bit of your cardamom. You can add it in a crushed form, or you can add it in like powder can be also used. Okay. Followed by we also add some pan leaves. You can take a look how it has been finely chopped, or the betel leaves. So once these ingredients are added inside, now we will going to add this rose water. The question is how much? Obviously we're going to use only 20 ml of it. This is our 30 ml side. Now you can take a look. Not fully 20, 30, but half of it, 10 ml gap. We'll add some rose water inside this. And then we're going to use almost like 30 ml of your lemon juice. Because see, understand one thing, this is a very sweet and also slightly bit of sour cocktail. That's the reason 30 ml of lemon juice is going to be used over here. After this, if it was a vodka, we're going to use a 60 ml, but here since it is a Sprite, so yes, just you can add half of it. Now remember one important thing, since it is a Sprite, when you're going to shake it, you will going to feel there is a problem of your gas because it's got a Sprite. Now we'll add some ice. Maybe 10 cube is going to be okay. It's in a cube form. Once this thing has been done, we're going to add our shaker. This is the one. And this has been locked properly. Now you have to shake it. Now remember one thing, there is a Sprite. If you shake it more, the carbon dioxide will going to blow up this like this head immediately. It's better that we'll just take it a very small, gentle push, just like this. Because you need to blend the things, not like a traditional sip. If it was a vodka, then you could have shake it properly. Okay? You can see there is a bubbles coming in because of the carbon dioxide in the Sprite. Okay? Need not to shake much, just need to blend all the ingredients. 30 seconds will be enough for this. And I think the mixture has been already done. You can take a look. And now so my shake is ready now here. You can take a look. I have opened up this cap. Now the glass plays an important role. This is a martini glass and there is a pan. You need to add the pan over here and then slight bit of small lemon slice you can add. And you just put it over here and then you can pour your entire mixture. Yep. That's how it is. It's your pan martini. Remember one thing, if it was a vodka, then you will feel taste more. since we're not allowed to use that, so we're going to use a Sprite over here. Okay? Thank you very much. It's a very nice summer time, so it's better that you enjoy this cocktail after any heavy lunch. You'll get a very refreshing or soothing attitude or to your mind. Thank you very much.